You can have new ways of working, but there is no way that you can replace the human interaction and the building of trust that is happening in informal settings, but still in settings where you discuss things that are relevant for the business or for the specific organization. This cannot be replaced by technology, and especially when it comes to conflicts. Yeah, when it comes to conflicts, to difficult situations, try to solve them via Skype or via Zoom. Yeah, that's very difficult. What can you expect in terms of intelligence from these systems? We use this unfortunate term of artificial intelligence, right? The computer is immoral. And I think you cannot emphasize this enough, because nobody can expect from the computer by itself to have something which resembles in any way human intelligence, except some very specialized arenas. Right? And we know what they are, where you work with big data, where you find patterns, etc., where you can apply algorithms.